Christians today pray to Jesus. But who did Jesus pray to? The one God above that Jesus prayed to in the way that when Jesus stood, bowed, and put his head on the ground and prayed, that is us. Jesus fasted, we fast. Jesus didn't eat pork, we don't eat pork. He ate kosher, we eat halal. Same method of slaughter, mentioning the name of Allah. Aisha radiallahu anha, her age is not in the Quran. The Prophet, peace be upon him, didn't tell us her age, so we don't have any divine revelation that tells us her age. She waited until she had passed puberty. So once she passed puberty, then they consummated the marriage. I don't find anything wrong with that. Anybody says the Quran copied the Bible has never read the Quran, because the Quran is in no way, shape, or form like the Bible. The Quran is the words of Allah. Most of the Bible is not the words of God, and it's not the words of Jesus.
A recent checkmate I've been hearing from Christians be circling more recently than normal is the Islamic dilemma. Can you walk us through this?